what, Amit? There's a huge pride associated with being a futurite.
Of course, Ila. Our group has defined modern retail in the country.
I know. And the power of our brand really is visible on the big sale days.
Yes, it is quite overwhelming to see the kind of response which we get at the store. Our employee journalist Weber was there in the store during these big days.
Big sale days are important for us as well as for our customers. Namaste, I am Vaibhav Raghuvanshi and I have set out to visit some of our formats to understand what actually makes us big.
These visuals are no surprise for futurites. Our big sale days have become the most popular shopping season in just a few years. Our patrons come in huge numbers and spend hours shopping with us.
Is it the first time that you're coming to Big Bazaar on SS5D?
No. This is for the second time I'm coming. Last year also I have come. And second time I'm coming because I thought because sales normally here in during this period, Sabse Sasta Din, they give really good offers. That's the reason I have come here.
Offers are one thing that makes us our customers' favorite. This year, the promotions too were kept simple and designed around offers.
Big Bazaar का सबसे सस्ते 5 दिन। Akai 32 LED TV 19990, Goryo 32 LCD TV 14690, Olympus 14 megapixel HD camera 3990. Men's shirts buy 3 for 799, men's t-shirts buy 2 for 349, sarees and dress material buy 1 get 1 free. Big Bazaar का सबसे सस्ते 5 दिन।
There is no doubt the promotions worked very well. Home, fashion and food turned out to be the best performing categories in Big Bazaar this year. And in many stores, the response exceeded expectations. With these offers, we also add new customers each year. And some of the toughest ones too find us live our brand promise of सबसे सस्ता सबसे अच्छा।
मैडम आप सस्ते सस्ते 5 दिन में पहली बार आ रही हैं?
हाँ, पहली बार आ रही हूँ।
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
अच्छा है, कुछ प्रोडक्ट में कम प्राइस है तो अच्छा लग रहा है।
कौन कौन से ऑफर बहुत अच्छे लगे आपको?
कोल्ड ड्रिंक है, चावल है, ऑयल है, ये सब में अच्छे प्राइस है। वेजिटेबल्स हैं, फ्रूट्स हैं, ये सब में अच्छे प्राइस।
The SS5D has kind of seeped in the customer's psyche now. There are many customers who make it a point to come every year. And that's the best sign of customer loyalty.
नहीं, मैं हमेशा हर टाइम आता हूँ। मैं हर साल आता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि वो हमेशा अच्छे ऑफर्स मिलते हैं, अच्छे रेट्स मिलते हैं, तो इसके लिए हम हर साल आते हैं यहाँ पे।
इस बार कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था सर?
बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन क्राउड ज़्यादा है, थोड़ा ये दिक्कत होती है, बाकी ऐसा कुछ नहीं, नॉर्मली सब अच्छा ही है।
This popularity of our sale days and inconvenience due to a huge customer turnout are two sides of the same coin. The challenge of providing a comfortable shopping experience is an effort completely worth it.
Well, I think we should be even more planned. This is my first year in retail, so I've seen it, and there's a lot of plan goes into the sale period. I mean, from everything, from the store level to the HO level to offers to the merchandise. I think if we can be more prepared, that would help us.
The sale day's popularity is not limited to our value formats. Lifestyle formats too saw a huge turnout. With flat 50% off on over 100 brands, Central saw highest ever sale of Rs 53.4 crores in the sale week.
Is there any other retail store with which you can compare Central?
No, this is the best. Everything is there, good discounts and everything is here. Whatever I want, good cosmetic, shoes, clothes, everything is nice. So many brands, 100 brands, everything is very good here.
Awesome, awesome. So was there any particular offer which attracted you to the...
Yeah, like 4 days offer, flat 50% was really nice. I came running, I want to do shopping here. I couldn't get anything better than this.
Okay, will you recommend Central to your friends and relatives?
Yeah, surely.
Our stores are indeed valued by customers for the range we offer. That's living our vision of presence in the entire consumption space. Many customers have made our formats their primary shopping destinations.
So are you a regular customer of Pantaloons, sir?
Yeah. Since I guess 3 years, 2.5 years probably.
How are you finding the sale this time?
This time it's very nice. And like I wanted the stuff I just got it.
Okay.
In very small time.
Great, sir. So which other formats, which other similar stores do you visit and how would you rate Pantaloons with them?
See, I normally do visit only Pantaloons or any brands like Reebok and Nike. Otherwise, I don't visit any other brands.
No wonders Pantaloons counted its highest one-day sale of 16 crores on 26 Jan and highest weekly sale of 56.6 crores. Similarly, backed by tempting offers on refrigerators and television sets, E-Zone did a business of Rs 11 crores till 29th in Mumbai alone. So is it only offers and range that make us what we are?
Which other formats, other than retail formats you have worked with?
I work with the lifestyle, I work with the shoppers, even I work with the Zara Dubai. But the sale and that, the ambience of the store is really, and especially for the staff, that just respecting the staff. Even the staff, they know each and everything regarding that sale, that ops parameter like conversion, each and everything the staff knows.
Perhaps many other factors than the ones superficially visible contribute to making us a leader in the industry. And perhaps one of the biggest reasons is we have our ears grounded and we are focused on the consumer. The consumer who trusts our brand and believes in us. This symbiotic relationship is indeed beautiful.
One thing is for sure, that the sale this year was bigger than the last year. And we want to make it even bigger the next year.